During wing work, your goal is to maintain the fingertip position using small throttle and stick movements and trim, while avoiding the tendency to stare at any one reference. Practice using all of Lead's aircraft as a reference. Your cross-check should be a 3-second loop, spending 1 second on each reference. As a technique, position light on the intake where the paint changes color, thin wing, and cranium abeam the burner cans. Stay relaxed in both stick and throttle movement to avoid over-controlling. Use trim as you traverse the 200 to 400 knot airspeed range to relieve stick forces. When given a wing dip, perform a cross-under. Reduce power to generate aft line of sight until nose-tail clearance is ensured. Slide through lead 6 o'clock to a slightly wide fingertip position on the other side. Then, smoothly move into fingertip.
You go close trail.
When performing close trail as the wingman, acknowledge the call to go close trail, maneuver to the close trail position, and call in. Proper position is 1 to 2 aircraft lengths behind lead and just below lead's jet wash. You should see space between the forward edge of lead's horizontal stabilator and the trailing edge of lead's wing. To prevent encountering jet wash, never fly higher than a position where that space disappears. For a fore-aft separation reference, use the relationship between the tips of lead's horizontal stabilator and the ailerons. At approximately 1 ship length, the stabilator tips are lined up with the outer 2/3 of the ailerons. At approximately 2 ship lengths, the tips are lined up with the midpoint of the ailerons. Strive to maintain fuselage alignment with lead's aircraft. When aft of the proper position or when lead is turning at higher G loadings, you may need to fly slightly inside the turn to gain or maintain position.
You go fingertip right side. No, that's right. 2.4.
Just 2.6.
Once receiving the echelon visual signal, match lead's roll rate into the turn. Once established in the turn, the horizon should split lead's lower intake. As in fingertip, the rear cockpit pilot's helmet should be abeam the burner cans. Use power to make 4 aft corrections, backstick pressure to maintain horizontal spacing, and bank to make corrections up or down. As a technique, strive to fly close enough to read the caution sticker located near the wing root of lead's aircraft. Rolling out of the turn, again match lead's roll rate to be in fingertip when wings level.